Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sonos Move with Wi-Fi setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Sonos Move. Remove the speaker, charging base, and power cable from the box. Place the charging base on a flat surface. Set the Sonos Move on the charging base to charge. Download the Sonos app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Sonos app and create an account if you don't have one. Tap on the Set up a new system option in the app. Select Sonos Move from the list of available products. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the speaker. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to use. When prompted, press the power button on the back of the Sonos Move. Wait for the LED light to flash white. Press and hold the join button on the back of the speaker until the light flashes orange. This puts the speaker in setup mode. The app will automatically search for the Sonos Move. Once detected, follow additional prompts to connect the speaker to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if required. Once connected, the LED should turn white. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete setup. You can now start using your Sonos Move wirelessly. Enjoy your favorite music and podcasts with your new speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.